Ladies and gents, boys and girls, welcome to another video. We still don't got the rear tire changed, but it's all good. So I have like two headlamp covers to like just change up the look sometimes. You know, gonna go for a little night ride to work. I'm gonna change shifts soon, probably be daytimes, and I might be. So I decided to go 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. for my dog, man. He has to see me, you know. He's got to see me more. Oh wait, I should select a song first. Alrighty, we put on some. I like it like that. She working that back. I don't know how to act. Hey, okay. Y'all can hear that. She working that back. I don't know how to. So I got a hearing test today for work that I gotta go to. Am I late? Damn, man. I might have to like. Man, I didn't want to speed today either. I wanted to cruise, man. Alright, we'll see how fast I get there using the express lanes. Check, checkmate. Extra battery. What's going on? Why aren't we going? It's a green light. What is this little dip? Like made it like way much harder to fucking go. Man, y'all hear those crackles and pops? I love this bike, bro. Alright, go get my hearing test for work. It like plays like high frequency sounds. If you hear them, you gotta click these buttons and shit. I don't know about my hearing. My hearing, because I work in a data center, so all those like high-pitched noises from and like the noises from the servers and all that shit makes you go deaf over time, guys. You don't think so, but it does. Nowadays, man, I don't really have a conversation to talk about on this when I'm vlogging, bruh. I don't know why. Cause I'm like, I get so into the riding that like I forget to talk. Cause this bike is just too beautiful sometimes. I love it. Doesn't make me like think about anything else other than riding. Oh my god. Oof. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. Why do my brakes make those noises? They like squeak too much. What was that? I guess if you like lightly press it, but it's whatever. Damn, is it really 6:23? Man, I should have left earlier, huh? We're a little late now. Little doggies. Just a minute to go in the dark. Oh my god. I'm glad they redid these roads though. Because So I guess what should we talk about? What to expect on this bike when buying it, okay? Don't expect no little baby bike, okay? Just because it's right under 1,000 does not mean that it does not perform any less. Like, I'm pretty sure this thing could pull equally with a liter bike. Obviously it would lose at the end of its top end, but this bike is just so torquey in any gear too, any gear. So I was talking about what's it called, Yami Noob's new video on this, and how he said like there's a lot of power, right, in any type, on all the gears, bro, all the freaking bands, man. Bands that make her dance. Like, I'm pulling in 6th gear, dude, and it's still going. Like, it has so much bite character and bite to it. Like, it's just, my God, I love this girl, man. Oh, what was that? I kept straight on that. That's good for me. If you see something on the road, just try your best to keep upright no matter what. The second you lean over, that's the second you fall. Oh shit, I got 15 minutes. That was dangerous as fuck. Sorry guys. Come on, Tesla. I know you're faster than this, Tesla. I got 15 minutos. How are you gonna go so much? love this girl. She's so beautiful. That Vince? That's Vince. Come on, police. I missed you. Every day that goes by. Fuck, I got 10 minutes. Chantilly Auto Park. So this is where I got my Jeep, actually, Monica. Man, I really wish I had a Jeep again. I miss being able to drive over things. Oh my god, look at this guy.